I'm going to show you how to activate direct postings for profit centers in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Undir, and I've been working with SAP since 2001, with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help us to reach the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 22,000 views and less than 500 subscribers. Could you please help us to balance this scale by subscribing to this channel? Here, in this channel, we deliver very high quality content, and I use my free time to share SAP knowledge for free. Therefore, I think it's fair enough to ask you also to share SAP knowledge for free. How can you do that? It is very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel, share it within your network, and it is done. Let's reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. I came across with the topic for this video because I was preparing some data for videos, and then I saw, okay, I don't have any postings. My profit center report doesn't show any data. How is it possible? Because we have a lot of postings done in the system. So then I had to dive in the configuration to understand why we are not having this. And I found that because this is a testing system, and I'm just reaching to the controlling parts of my channel. And then I saw, okay, this part is missing. So, but I want to show you everything detail by detail. So then you understand why we are doing this configuration and why it is so important to do it. And now without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu. So I'm going to start the exercise by explaining you everything why we need to do this. So let me do something here. Hopefully everything is open and we can post 2024. Going to copy paste my company code, currency. I'm just creating here an invoice, a quick invoice. Okay, so far so good. So I'm going to put 5,000. And then in here, I'm going to use the P&L account, which is this one. So now start, it's very quick. Enter, and then I'm going to show you it brings the profit center from the cost center. So far so good. We are going to make this happen, and then I'm going to save. Document created. We're going to display invoice from the customer. So this is my customer, and then this is my P&L account where I can see that my profit center was posted. So what was very clear to do it was now going here to the accounting, controlling, profit center, information system, and then here in line items report. So I want to see the documents created for this company code. So my controlling area, version is 0, is actuals. So now I'm going to put, this is my company codes. I'm going to insert 1 to 12, 2024. Okay, nothing is displayed. So then I can show you 2025 because I did this before. I prepared for 2025. I have only one record, as you can see in the system. And it's not possible to have only one record. So now we are going to go to the configuration to make the magic to happen. So we need to go in the IMG menu. So if you don't know, the transaction code is SPRO, is written there, to go to the IMG menu. So here we go into controlling, then we go to profit center accounting, then we go to basic settings, controlling area, settings, and then here active direct postings, and you click set control parameters for actual. If you see, I have here only this here. So now I'm going to enter the year 2024. Okay, and I'm going to save. Going back. So this is something important to move for production, otherwise you screw up all your data. But of course, during the UAT phase, you need to do these tests. So if I go now here, is nothing is going to happen because this was not active, this was not record here. So nothing happened. Now I'm going to create quickly another document. So we are going to use this one. By the way, if you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. Don't get away from the video. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you the magic now. So quickly, because I like to do quick videos, so you can learn quickly the SAP. So let's put this crazy amount. Now I'm going to put 50, so it's a credit, my P&L account, then start, cost center, tac. Now I'm going to show you I have my profit center here, and then I'm going to save. Document created, so we can display here. Document created, and now let's go and see the magic happening. Now we go back to our report and I'm going to get out just to ensure that everything is fine. So I'm using the transaction code KE5Z. So now I'm going to, we can put 1 to 12 and then I think in here we are going to put 24 and 20, 25. Now I'm going to run, and for the example I should have 2 entries in my report. So this is one. This is document created with this crazy number. If we double click, we can see inside the document itself that we just created. And this is another document that I have created yesterday when I came across with this thing. So if this video was useful for you, please make some comments. Now you know how to activate direct postings for profit centers in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.